Mr. Coker, Paul here. So we, we first noticed the rot in this is the structure here. This section of the structure is called the stem, where the bow planks come together, and this section is called the gripe. It's a knee. I would have called it a knee, but I did call it a knee for a long time, but that's called a gripe. I don't know why. Maybe because people gripe about having to make it. I'm not sure. But and then you have, of course, the horizontal member is the keel, and it stops right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. It stops right here. So we got rot here. We've got lots of rot in the stem here. Then over here on the other side, we have it's a little worse. We got rot all the way down to this point, and then we've got rot in the gripe up here as well. So what we're planning to do is we're actually going to just replace the gripe. The gripe bolts to the keel with these 3 bolts right here. One, you see the bolt holes, 1, 2, 3. That bolts together. Of course, it's all glued together, so we'll be taking that. We're going to be taking the keel out anyway, so we'll be putting that kind of all back together at the same time. Here, what we're going to do is of course, the gripe will come down. There was a joint here originally, so the gripe was joined right here, and then there was a joint in the staggered joints. There's a joint in this portion of the stem. It came back to here, so there's one joint right there. Let it come back into focus. You see, there we go. So we got a joint right here, right there, and then you have that was joined along this line, and then you have that breakaway there. So we're going to replace that, and we'll come down here and we'll cut all the rod out right here at this point, and then and replace the stem to this point right here. So that's going to be kind of difficult because it's all glued together. So, but we're working on a plan there, and we're trying to figure out how to do that as inexpensively as possible. And but that is kind of a little surprise, not a good surprise. We did have a very good surprise, on getting the bottom planks off. So this isn't I think monetarily there's probably an offset here, but it is going to require a little more time and some effort up here. So just wanted to give you an update for Friday the 21st of February and show you where we are and what the new challenge we found this week is. Thank you.